Hi everyone, this is Mihai with ProMedia Training. I'm here to show you a few key components of Pro Tools 9. Let's take a look. And here we are on Pro Tools 9. You can notice that there's not much of a difference aesthetically between Pro Tools 8 and Pro Tools 9. The big changes that happen with Pro Tools 9 lie under the hood and what it can actually do and how it can actually work based around the hardware component of Pro Tools. Traditionally, you've always had to use Avid-based hardware such as M-Boxes, 003s, 002s, and for some of you, the 001s that you remember. Now, Avid has taken away that component and allowed us to use any audio interface that we want. This can be things such as Apogee, RME, Mackie, Presonus, Lynx, Prism, you name it, we can actually use the hardware. We can even use the built-in hardware of the computer, the built-in microphone, the built-in headphone outputs of the computer, or the built-in digital inputs and outputs of the computer. To achieve this, we're going to need to go up to the playback engine. If you're familiar with this playback engine, you'll actually see a new button that you've never seen before. This button here at the top called Current Engine. If I click on this, you see all the different options that are available to us. Now, one thing that you might not know is that even Pro Tools HD systems can utilize the built-in hardware of the computer or any audio interface that you want. One thing that will make this helpful is by utilizing the Pro Tools Aggregate I/O. When you're using an HD system, the one thing you have to remember is that in order for it to let go of the HD environment, you do have to quit Pro Tools and then restart it when you change your current engine. The other thing that is a new component of Pro Tools 9 is the delay compensation engine. Previously, this was available only to HD users. This is to help you compensate for any DSP-induced delay. The more plugins that you run on the track, the more delayed your signal is going to be. Depending on the plugin, it might be more, it might be less. No two plugins are exactly alike. Now that we've relaunched our session, we can actually go back to the playback engine and check and see what kind of engine we're running. We are running the Pro Tools Aggregate I/O in place of the Pro Tools TDM environment. We're on the same computer that we were before. The only difference is that now we're utilizing the power of the host CPU of the computer as opposed to the TDM architecture. Well, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more Pro Tools 9 updates from your friends at ProMedia Training.